Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, and we're gonna do some more baking. All right, now we're gonna make some Jamaican cocoa bread or folding bread. All right, and this is part one, and part two I will show you how to make Jamaican hard dough bread. So basically it's the same steps I'm gonna use. Okay, so let's get into this video. Go ahead and use bread flour, but this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. All right, and this one is the instant yeast. Okay guys, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. Okay, and we're gonna dump everything in here all at once. All right, I have half teaspoon salt. I'm gonna put it one side. I have 2 tablespoons sugar. I'm just gonna beat this egg a little bit. So pour 1 egg in there, guys. We have some butter, so I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. So 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I have 1 cup of coconut milk. You can use the regular 2% milk. Okay guys, and I'm gonna pour it in here. Now I'm gonna go in with my wooden spoon and I'm gonna give this a little mix. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna oil my hands. You can now put it on the counter and then you can knead it. I do it that way too, guys. The oil helps prevent it from sticking. Now I'm gonna dust my surface. Not too much flour, just enough flour to dust the surface. You don't wanna put too much flour on it, okay? All right. As I said, I like to oil my hand again, just a little bit. Oopsie. All right, and I'm gonna knead it, okay guys? Don't add any more flour. All right. All right guys, so after about 8 or 10 minutes of mixing, it's gonna be soft a little bit and you're gonna form something like that. Okay, about half teaspoon, and I'm gonna grease the bowl and rub it up at the same time. All right, I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour to rise, or until it's double in size. So if it takes 1 hour to 90 minutes. And I'm just gonna put my towel over it like that, and then I'll come back. All right my peeps, after 1 hour, look at this. It's like triple in size. All right, so you want to punch the air bubbles out. I'm gonna dust my surface again. All right. Look at that guys. All right, now we're just gonna roll it a little bit. See how nice it is, guys? It's supposed to be stretchy. Can you see that? Stretchy and nice. All right, look at that goodness. All right, so let's cut it across first. You can make 8 if you want. So I'm gonna cut it like that. Cut it like that. I'm gonna set each pieces aside. All right, we're gonna work with 1 piece at a time. You're gonna dust with a little bit of flour, not too much. You're gonna press it out. I'm just gonna fold it like this. A few times. All right, and then I'm gonna pinch the bottom make it round. Make sure you dust the surface, and I'm gonna set it there. All right, you want to repeat it, so and just fold it a few times. You don't have to let these sit. And then you want to roll it in a bigger circle. And just dust this one, guys. You can use some butter. I'm gonna put like my tablespoon of olive oil that I told you about. All right. And what I'm gonna do now, guys, you're gonna fold it. So I'm gonna brush it first. Olive oil is a healthier choice, okay, guys? So I choose the olive oil, but you can use some melted butter, or you can just put the butter as is. Now we're gonna fold it. So just like that, all right? I'm gonna fold it one more time. A little bit more oil. Not much, you don't want to overdo it. And then I'm gonna fold it again. Same thing. So that's it, and I'm gonna place it over here in my baking tray. I'm gonna do 4 of that way, and I'm gonna do 2 like the regular cocoa bread way. Okay, guys, the normal way. So I'm just gonna fold it. And that's it. That's how you make the cocoa bread, all right? Just like that. I'm gonna put this to rise. Leave it for like half an hour so they can rise, and then I'm gonna come back. After 30 minutes, you can even go up to 45 minutes. This is what I have. I have some of the coconut milk. You can use the regular milk. I'm just gonna brush the top so they have a nice golden color and they don't dry out, okay? And now I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350, and I'm gonna bake them for about 25 minutes to half an hour. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. And I left them in there for half an hour, okay, guys? You see them big and nice. Now I have a little bit of butter, and I'm gonna rub the top, not too much, okay, so it stays moist. Less than a tablespoon. If you have a bigger baking pan, you can just spread them out, all right? You don't have to make them touch on each other. We're gonna take them out. Look how soft they are, guys. Oh my god, they're so soft. Look at that. So soft and light. All right, just kind of break it apart. Them not supposed to stick in, guys. Them too big and fat. Look how soft they are. You get one Jamaican patty, guys, and put it in the middle right there, so. And these are ready. I'm just gonna break them off each other. If you have a bigger pan, guys, you go ahead and put them. Now put them close, okay? Look at this. Look, guys. See how soft and fluffy? Look on this one, guys. Woo, woo. And you don't have to make them so big, you know. I mean, look like me greedy or something, guys. They're so fluffy, so soft. Oh my goodness. This is it. Yes, this is my folding bread or cocoa bread. All right. Caribbean people call this one here another name. If I remember, I'll put it there. Okay, but I know it as cocoa bread or otherwise called folding bread. Yeah. And that's it, guys. They're super soft. Okay, we're gonna put it to the test, and I have one right here. I'm gonna break it and show you. I'm gonna show you one. See how soft it is? Look at that, guys. Can you see it? So soft. Super light and soft and fluffy. Have a good day.